Welcome students to the quick solution of All India Caste Test Series Medical 2020 for TYM. This is test number 4, code C and D for chemistry conducted on 24th of January 2021. So let's start with the first question of chemistry students, which is question number 46. Let's read it. For which value of equilibrium constant reaction proceeds nearly to completion? So student, for this question we need to know that greater is the value of equilibrium constant, greater is the extent of reaction. And also I'm telling you that if the value of Kc is greater than or equals to 10 raised to the power 3, the reaction goes nearly to completion. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 4. If the value of K is equals to 1000, the reaction proceeds nearly to completion. So here I'm writing answer is option number 4. Moving to next question students, which is question number 47. Let's read it. 2 moles of A are taken initially in a 1 liter container. If at equilibrium 2 moles of B are formed, then value of Kc for the reaction A gives 2B will be. Students, for this question, first of all, I'm writing the reaction A gives 2B. Initially, it is saying that 2 moles of A are present. That means B must be 0. At equilibrium, 2 moles of B are formed. That means 1 mole of A must be dissociated to give 2 moles of B. So the number of moles of A left is 1 and the number of moles of B formed is 2. Student, as we know that Kc is equals to concentration of product raised to the power stoichiometric coefficient, that is B raised to the power 2 upon A. Here the concentration of B is number of moles upon volume. Volume is 1 liter square upon A. The number of moles of A is 1 and the volume is also 1, which is ultimately equals to 4. That means the correct answer is option number 4, 4 mole per liter. So here I'm writing answer is option number 4. Moving to next question students, which is question number 48. Let's read it. For a reversible reaction, if the rate constant for the forward and backward reaction are 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 and 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 respectively, then the value of equilibrium constant is. Student, we all know that the value of equilibrium constant is equals to rate constant for the forward reaction upon rate constant for the backward reaction. We are given with the values of rate constant. So 2.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 upon 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this is 1.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 1, which is equals to 0.12. That means the correct answer is option number 3. So here I'm writing answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question students, which is question number 49. Let's read it. If Kc for the reaction 4NH3 gaseous plus 5O2 gaseous gives 4NO gaseous plus 6H2 gaseous is X, then Kc for the reaction 2NO gaseous plus 3H2O gaseous gives 2NH3 gaseous plus 5 by 2 O2 gaseous is. Student, we are given with the reaction 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4NO plus 6H2O. For this reaction, the value of equilibrium constant is X. If the reaction is reversed, let's say the reaction becomes 4NO plus 6H2O gives 4NH3 plus 5H2O, then the value of equilibrium constant becomes 1 upon X. On multiplying the equation by half, the equation becomes 2NO plus 3H2O gives 2NH3 plus 5 by 2 O2, and the value of equilibrium constant becomes 1 by x raised to the power half, which is ultimately equals to 1 upon under root of x. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question, students, which is question number 50. Let's read it. If for the reaction A to B, Kc is equals to 10, B to C, Kc is equals to 5, and C to D, Kc is equals to 2, then Kc for the reaction A to D is. Student, we all know that on adding equations, equilibrium constant is multiplied. So, for the reaction A to D, the value of Kc is equals to 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 100. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question, students.